Hello, it is Friday before the short week that is our Thanksgiving week. So I sent you all an email this morning. So depending on when you watch this, make sure you read that because it is a what I consider is a good offer to, and really it's an incentive for you all to get caught up because I know this class is a lot as far as content, what you have to demonstrate, and then of course we're moving into the all important develop it one. So I talked about that actually in week 7 learn together, that's next week. And I moved that to not to fall on Thursday of Thanksgiving, of course, that would be crazy. But what that means is you're hitting right up against as we move forward here, right? So it actually should be in this week, but it's the idea that it's going to fall right at the point of section 11, the what I'd consider the most important section that you have, because it is really what you will do. And this is what I'm going to recommend is like as soon as you do section 11, go and implement that same concept for your Dev 1. Because the sooner you do it, the better. And then what you could do, and I'm going to make this offer, is on Code Up for 12. If you're actually ready and just following along with your own develop it, you could actually count coding these, because in the last section, just let me be clear, you're coding up an authentication, a login system. And so if you are ready to do that to your own code, I'm going to allow you to actually do that. So that code up would also help you move towards your develop it one. So I'm trying to give you some incentive to get not just on time, but a little ahead if you can, because it means instead of having to code it up and then go back and remember, because basically here's the deal. We're not going to, you could, but I'm guessing all of us wouldn't necessarily change the way Andrew's going to show how he's handling login authentication. So it's not like we're taking the concepts and creating our own. We would just be implementing our own into our sites. Okay, so FYI, just to prep you, right? And then of course our last develop it here on I started to draft some of the requirements for that. There's more to come because I will be finishing hopefully this weekend, if not next week, section 11. Because that's what I need to do. Is I need to do section 11. I need to do the learn together for week 8, and then this one. So there's a little bit more work here for me to get ready for you, but now's the time. So anyway, I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. I know it's that time of the year to connect with people we care about in our lives. And I know that maybe my incentive may conflict with some of that. So just figure out what works for you. So I hope to see a couple of you get caught up, because I know it's last couple of weeks, I've seen a decrease in the amount of people participating. So I know that can just be a lot with other classes. So hope to see you get caught up. Let me know if you have any questions, but otherwise have a wonderful holiday.